Delapena has been around for 87 years now. Specialises in the honing industry, builds standard and bespoke machines, as well as standard and bespoke tooling as well.
Tell us a little bit more about those machines, that tooling, and what it does.
Okay, the range of machines starts from honing a bore at 1.4 millimetre diameter, right up to about 1.5 metres. So we make machines that are vertical, horizontal. This machine here is bespoke to the marine industry. It hones cylinder liners for the ship's engines. We're now preferred supplier into two of the biggest marine engine builders in the world.
And what is it in those instances that make you the preferred supplier? What are you doing right?
Okay, the application is just what we call glaze busting, taking the hard surface off the hone bore. Where a customer was having an 8-hour cycle time, we've got that down to 20 minutes now.
Wow, how do you do that?
It's a mixture of the tooling, the machines, and we also develop special abrasives for the application.
Is the demand not just about the time in terms of energy efficiency and that kind of footprint as well?
Energy is one thing, but also health and safety. Some of our competitors' machines, you have to wear ear protection. With our machine, you can hardly make any noise, so that's a big plus for the customer.
And you mentioned about the company being around more than 80 years, but the technology that's developed over the last decade must have made this kind of machinery far more possible and applicable to the industry.
Absolutely. Maybe 5 or 6 years ago, we could hone to maybe 5 or 6 microns. We're now down on some of our equipment down to half a micron now, which was moving the lapping process as well.
And is that why it's important to be at this show, to display that kind of, talk about that kind of progress and show people what you can do?
Absolutely. I mean, this is the first time we've been at the Marine Expo. And what we found is the people who are coming to see us, this machine, we're talking to the right people now. And hopefully we'll be here again next year in Antwerp as well. So.